We'll guide you through how to overcome ChatGPT addiction in a few steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your ChatGPT account on the website. You need to start by setting boundaries for how you use ChatGPT. Plan a specific time each day when you'll allow yourself to engage with ChatGPT and stick to that schedule. This helps create a routine and reduces the impulse to use it excessively. Then you can activate focus or productivity tools on your computer. Use extensions like Stay Focused for Chrome or Leech Block for Firefox to block access to ChatGPT during times when you should be focusing on other tasks. Once you've set up these tools, it's important to replace the time spent on ChatGPT with other rewarding activities. Pick up a new hobby, read a book, or engage in physical activities to divert your attention. Another effective method is to track your usage. Use apps that monitor your screen time and set goals to gradually reduce the time spent interacting with ChatGPT. You can also adjust your notification settings to reduce temptations. Turn off notifications that prompt you to return to the site. If you're looking for additional help, consider joining support groups or forums where you can share your experiences and get advice from others going through the same thing. Remember, it's all about finding balance and maintaining control over your usage. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.